Hello, bitches, bros, and non-binary hoes. So the video I just showed you right now was the first trailer of the Chainsaw Man anime. Set to be released in 2022 this year, there are already a lot of people hyping it up, and understandably so. This is our main character Denji. He's currently in a very unpleasant situation called being chopped into tiny pieces. This is only chapter 1 of 97 in total, so you can guess what's ahead of you. Not only is the manga incredibly gory, it's also incredibly funny. I mean, the fandom made a video game out of a character that was forced to dance or they'll die. And the mangaka isn't doing any better. Let's talk about the story, shall we? This next part I'm gonna read from the Chainsaw Man fandom wiki because, I don't know, I'm kinda lazy and they sum up the plot very simply for you to understand. When his father died, Denji was stuck with a huge debt and no way to pay it back. Thanks to a devil dog he saved named Pochita, he's able to survive through odd jobs and killing devils for the Yakuza. Pochita's chainsaw powers come in handy against these powerful demons. When the Yakuza betrays him and he's killed by the zombie devil, Pochita sacrifices himself to save his former master. Now Denji has been reborn as some kind of weird devil-human hybrid. After his transformation, he's quickly recruited by Makima to join the public safety devil hunters under threat of extermination, now that he's technically a devil. Now that he's living comfortably for the first time in his life, Denji struggles to determine his dreams and form meaningful relationships while killing devils and working alongside other eccentric devil hunters. As of the time of the making of this video, there's only been 10 volumes released outside of Japan. And the 11th and last volume is going to be set to release in 7th of June. The anime was supposed to release this year in October, however was yet again pushed back, and honestly so. It's going to be animated by Studio Mappa. Let alone this year, they're going to animate so much. So let the animators take their time and animate this one in peace. Like, literally, they have so much stuff to animate this year. Also, the Japanese popularity poll was hilarious as fuck.